Hello everyone, welcome back to PurpleSkill. Today we are going to dive into GPT-5, OpenAI's latest flagship model. I will break it down in super simple so at the end of the video you will understand what is GPT-5, what it offers and why you should care about it. Released on August 7, 2025, GPT-5 is an advanced unified model which is built on earlier versions like GPT-4, 4.0 and 4.5. So let us understand what is new in GPT-5. We have dynamic routing, where GPT-5 can switch between fast processing and deep thinking modes depending on the task complexity. We have extended context window. It supports up to 256,000 tokens in ChatGPT and 4 lakh via API. It is perfect for long conversations and big documents. We have variants and modes. We have multiple options. We have GPT-5 Standard, GPT-5 Mini, GPT-5 Nano and Thinking. So you can balance speed, cost and accuracy. Here we get multimodal power. GPT-5 works across text, voice, images and even video in real time. It supports personalization, where we can custom personalities and dynamic UI interactions built right in. And we also get code generation. We have cleaner, more structured outputs, even turning small prompts into usable front-end UIs. Let me tell you, GPT-5 is not the research upgrade, it is practical. And as a developer, as an expert, you should start using it. Microsoft 365 now runs on GPT-5. That means we have smarter reasoning in Outlook, Word and Excel. Healthcare. GPT-5 outperforms human experts in medical reasoning tasks, integrating text and visuals for better analysis. Developers use the Nano or Mini models for fast, low-cost tasks or the thinking mode for deep reasoning and complex problem solving. Basically, GPT-5 adapts to whatever you need, lightweight or complex task. I have seen over the internet that reactions to GPT-5 has been mixed. Many users love the speed, scale and smarter reasoning, calling it a true productivity booster. Others say it sometimes produces verbose code or still hallucinates facts. Based on the feedback, OpenAI reintroduced GPT-4.0 for Plus users and expanded GPT-5's thinking mode for better flexibility. So yes, we can say GPT-5 is a leap forward, but not the perfect. To sum up, we can say GPT-5 is built on top of earlier models with improved reasoning, personalization, scale, and multimodality. It is like having a digital expert which adapts to different situations, from quick answers to deep problem-solving tasks. In upcoming videos, we will see how to integrate GPT-5 into our code. So stay tuned with PurpleSkill.